To tell you about something wild I stumbled across the other day. I was browsing online, right, and came across this company called RealBotix. They make realistic humanoid-looking robots. I mean, they actually resemble real people. But here's the thing. These robots aren't just pretty faces. They have AI that lets them hold conversations, show emotions, and even form relationships. I was completely blown away. I mean, we're talking about robots that could be your friend, companion, or even, well, let's just say they're designed for more than just casual conversation. It's both fascinating and a little bit unsettling, right? But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered how close we are? In 2025, will AI robots be part of our daily lives? Stick around, because we're about to find out. All right, let's kick things off with some of the most human-like robots out there. We've got names like Sophia, Desdemona, and the RealBotix robots. Each of these robots has a unique approach. For instance, Hanson Robotics created Sophia to push the limits of AI, making robots that can have deep conversations and even express emotions. On the other hand, companies like RealBotix are all about ultra-realism, not just in appearance, but also in functionality. RealBotix is really pushing the boundaries of what's possible with human-like robots. Founded in 2014 by Matt McMullen, they're not just making robots that look human, they're trying to create robots that feel human. And RealBotix offers realistic humanoid figures starting at $9,500, along with customizable robots ranging from $25,000 for a robotic head to $200,000 for a full-size model. Starting his career in art and special effects, McMullen has harnessed his unique talents to create real doll robots. Amazing as these advancements are, there's a darker side we need to consider. What happens if this incredible technology is misused? That's the big question we need to answer. And it's not just about the technology itself. It's about the choices we make and the values we uphold. We need to be mindful of the potential downsides of AI robots. Speaking of the future, what are you curious about what's on the horizon? The robots discussed in the video are only the beginning. If you found this video interesting, you gotta watch this next one where we dive even deeper into the world of AI and robotics. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.